And so the example that I have up on this screen here is for a cat tree. I use this example all the time in data dive office hours. And the process for creating this brief is extremely simple. So on the left-hand side of your screen, there's some toggles. If you use the check all toggle, it'll select the top 10 competitors. And you just click on the button for analyze the selected competitors. You give it like 5 to 10 minutes, keep working in the background, or get yourself a cup of coffee or a Coke. And then like magic, it's gonna have read and analyze all of the reviews, the information on the product detail page, and it's gonna tell you things like what are the most important attributes, what are the most important features of the product. So in this case, we're looking at a cat tower, a cat tree, and we see that people wanna know about the different features. Like does it have a climbing wall? Does it have a scratching post? Does it have a hammock? The ability of this product to help cats exercise and be active. Do they have nice snuggly perches and like areas that the cats can sleep in? On top of that, we have what do the customers like about the product? So things like easy assembly, is it sturdy? Is it good quality? What's the sizing? Does it have good instructions? It's going to tell you what do customers dislike about the product. This is getting into the opposite of if it's sturdy, if it's wobbly, if it has missing parts, does it have a larger platform for larger cats? It's going to tell you value-added ideas. We showed a little bit of this in the product development masterclass. So this is ways that you can improve the product. So enhancing the stability, making spacious, comfortable areas for if the cat wants to perch, having a really durable scratching post. And then we also have things like customer avatars. So this is based on review data, and it's like, this is who is most likely to purchase your product, different customer avatars. So we have like cat lover Lisa, tells us a little bit about cat lover Lisa. We have busy professional Mike, apartment dweller Sarah. It even talks about where Sarah might live. She lives in a small apartment, wants a space-saving cat tree. She needs a cat tower that can fit into a corner and it doesn't take up too much space.